Okay, here's our top 3. Simulan natin kay Larissa. Step forward, Larissa, please. Ang kinanta po ni Larissa ay Without You. I think with Larissa, Without You ay hindi kumpleto ang ating top 3. Congratulations, you're in! Dito ka sa gilid, Larissa. Congratulations sa'yo. Ayan. Baka matakpan kita. Forward ako sa gitna. JR, step forward please. JR, meron kang 5,000 pesos. I'm sorry but you did not make it on top 3.
Energy FM, the official singing idol FM station. For
Thank you, JR.
Information brought to you
Okay.
by 90.3.
Joanna. Joanna. Power of Love. Mukhang kinapos ka sa Power, Joanna. I'm sorry you did not make it. Thank you for joining, Joanna. Siyempre, meron kang 5,000 pesos. Woo! James, step forward, please. James, kahit umuulan at kapiling ka, di ganun. James, inuulan ka ng swerte, you're in! Congratulations, James, you're in. Ito pa. Step forward, please, Jonathan and Sheena. Only one spot left for our top 3 JTC idol. Sino po, babae o lalaki? Ang kinanta po ni Sheena ay Through the Fire. At ang kay Jonathan naman po ay Kahit Kailan. Ladies and gentlemen, the remaining spot for our top 3 is... I heard it right, Sheena Blando! Congratulations, you make it on top 3. Thank you very much, James. May you have 5,000 pesos. Ladies and gentlemen, narito po ang ating top 3.